You need to watch this if you struggle with snack cravings. Here are 10 quick and tasty snacks you can whip up at home. 1. Banana sushi. Spread peanut butter on a banana, roll in granola and slice. 1. Avocado toast. Mash an avocado, spread on toast and sprinkle with salt and pepper. 1. Cheese quesadilla. Melt cheese in a tortilla, fold and slice. 1. Yogurt parfait. Layer yogurt, granola and berries in a glass. 1. Apple nachos. Slice an apple, drizzle with peanut butter, and sprinkle with chocolate chips. 1. Veggie sticks and hummus. Cut up some veggies and dip in your favorite hummus. 1. Popcorn with a twist. Pop some popcorn and season with your favorite spices. 1. Mini pizzas. Top crackers with marinara sauce and mozzarella, then microwave. 1. Frozen grapes. Freeze grapes for a refreshing treat. 1. Chocolate dipped strawberries. Dip strawberries in melted chocolate and let them cool. There you go. Snack time just got a whole lot more fun and delicious. Which one will you try first?